How do you make a frog? I'm glad you asked. You can make a frog from a rectangle of cardboard. It should be about 15 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And you begin by folding over one of the short edges of the rectangle to meet the long side. There we are. And then crease down that diagonal. Open it out and do the same thing across to the other long side of the rectangle. There we are. Once again, crease the fold with your fingernail. Now this time, when you open it out, you'll find there's a sort of a cross marked there with folds. Then you bring the edges in to make a point, like this. Now when you do that, you'll find that there are two little pointy bits at the sides. Those will actually be the front legs of the frog. Bring them forward so they sit just underneath its nose. We're actually looking at the frog upside down. Then bring the sides in. These will form the body of the frog, and it's the body of the frog that will give it its spring. You might say, how will cardboard make a frog spring? You'll be surprised how springy cardboard can be. Right, once again, crease those folds. Now those are the last two folds that you make tightly that way. The rest of the folds, and there are only two to go, will be loose folds. You start with the body of the frog and you fold it under, like this, in a curve, gently, and then fold the back legs back in another curve. Now you'll find if you sit the frog down, it actually does look a little bit like a frog, with some imagination. To help your imagination, you can add some eyes. There we are, maybe nostrils, and also mouth. Now, all that remains to be done is to test the frog, see if it can jump. It's easy. All you do is press down on the back of the body with your finger and let it go. And the frog jumps in the air. With a bit of practice, you can make it jump up, backwards, forwards. Actually, the world record for this is 1.7 metres. See if you can beat that.
I want to know. Curiosity.